Okay, so here's what happened in my experience. I was having a conversation with my nurse and she said, hey, these breast pumps are so expensive. I know you said that you're interested in breastfeeding, so I received mine free. Let me tell you what might work for you as well. So basically, you contact your insurance company, you let them know that you recently gave birth and you're interested in breastfeeding. Now, I think this can also work if you're already with child and you haven't given birth yet. I don't know, just basically telling it from my experience. But I contacted my insurance company, who then gave me the contact number for a company called MedSouth. And this company was local. They said I would just have to go there and pick this product up. So I'm not exactly sure if this is going to work all the way across the board. There may be different companies for different insurance companies. So you'll know all of that when you contact them. And before I'm able to call MedSouth, I was told that I needed to get a prescription for a breast pump from my OBGYN. So after I received my prescription, I took it over to MedSouth, and literally within minutes, they just handed me my breast pump. And I was like, okay, that's it? And they were like, that's it. We have everything on record. It's completely free. You don't have to pay anything. And I was pretty shocked at the prices of these things. I mean, some can go up to maybe like $400. And yeah, I'm not paying that. Freebie, babe. Come on now. But yeah, hopefully this works for you guys. If it does, let me know. If you have tried this before and it worked, please comment down below, because I just want to kind of get this word out to moms and dads out there so that you guys can save some money, because it is so expensive raising a baby. We all know that. And here's a couple of more things I hope that will help you guys save money. And it all starts with this little plastic bag here. So when I was at the doctor's office, I was using the temporary breast pump. So I think this is something that's kind of like globally done. I'm not sure, but I'm in the US. And when you say that you want to breastfeed, they will bring you in a temporary breast pump that will kind of get the breast ready to start like producing milk. And with that temporary breast pump that they bring, they will give you just a whole bunch of things that go with the machine. And a lot of people don't know, just like when you're getting ready to leave the hospital and you have like extra diapers and wipes and stuff that's been available in your room, anything that is in that room when you have been there and you gave birth, whether it's diapers, whether it's wipes, hats, receiving blankets, you name it, all of that belongs to you. You can take all of that at the end of your visit at the hospital. And you can also take home those additional parts that go to your breast pump machine. I suggest when you leave the hospital, you use that particular pump or one similar to it, that brand, because I mean, you're already familiar with it. So that's just something that I did. But these are all of the parts that go to Medela, and that's also the breast pump that I received. And this is not sponsored. I just like Medela products. And the thing that's so cool about that is, if you already have like some Medela like bottles and stuff like that, then you're gonna know that these parts that go to your machine are all interchangeable, all Medela products, on one size fit all. So you just save money by having some bottles that you can use at home that are going to connect to your breast pump machine. So definitely take advantage of that, and well, definitely kind of put that into consideration when you're just trying to find ways to save money when it comes to having a baby. So this is what I was using before I got a machine. This one is the manual breast pump from Medela. I love this so much. I actually, at one point, even though I had this machine, I was still using this just because it was just like habit, because it's so easy to use. But I was using this, and of course, like I said, that with them all being interchangeable, I didn't lose any money on this. You know, I was still able to use this, still continuing to use it while using my machine. Well guys, that is it for today. I hope that this was very informative to you. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, share this video, comment down below, and I will see you guys in my next, is this considered like a how-to? Yeah. I will see you guys in my next how-to. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye-bye.